Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Well, today I'm back with a very short plant video because I wanted to show you a few of my plants. This is my Echeveria pulvinate ruby and this is how it looks. It has colored up. Slightly it has colored up. Actually, the leaves are supposed to go all ruby red, but that hasn't happened yet. Only the margins are colored and this is how it looks. Now let's move ahead. This is my snake plant, the miniature one. Actually this was a tiny plant and actually the mother plant had given numerous babies, and from there I had removed it and put it in this particular pot, and this too has given a tiny shoot. See how nice it looks, healthy, beautiful. Now this is my geranium, the orange glitters. Actually my intention is not showing the flowers. Look at the leaves. Just 2 days back it was quite hot and the leaves have got scorched. This is the flower. The flower size also has decreased because of the heat, because it's summers here, and although it is not kept in the direct sunlight, the wind is so hot the leaves are getting scorched. Now this is actually the mother plant of my Echeveria pulvinate ruby that I showed you in the beginning of the video. This is how it looks, and it has given up a floral shoot which is already blooming. Now this plant, if you all have watched my previous videos, you all know who has gifted me this plant, and this is the floral shoot, and the leaves are also turning red, although just the margins have turned red, but it's coloring up. This is the plant. This is a succulent which is very easy to grow and a beginners friendly succulent. You will not be disappointed if you grow this plant, and it already looks very healthy right here. That's the shoot. Now let's move on to our peace lily or the spathiphyllum, and these are the flowers that it has given. Look at it, how pure it looks, beautiful white flowers all dancing in the morning breeze. Actually the sky is very cloudy. I think it's going to rain again, and this is how they look right now. And look at this geranium. Wow, a single petal plant, but a beautiful one. Look at it, baby pink, beautiful. Now this is the pot of geranium which is out of a batch of 5 or 6, I forgot also, which I had bought from a seller in Darjeeling, and this is the plant. And although it's about a year old, still no floral shoots. Now this is the geranium that is in bloom right now, and you all know who has gifted me the cuttings. This is how they are doing, struggling in the summer heat but still blooming. See how pretty it looks, beautiful. Now this is my tallest geranium plant, and these are the flowers. It's in full bloom, so some of the flowers have dried up. It has to be removed. That's going to help the plant to give better blooms. So this is how it looks. Actually I'm not getting time, but yes, all the plants also have to be attended. So thank you my dear friends for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it is bye bye for today. Bye.